suppose the coffee bean presentation, because you can name the logo company and ask you to please turn off your mobile phone as you continue presenting. I hope you enjoy. The topic for this presentation is to modify a coffee machine. You can see the coffee machine you should modify it to control temperature, so the client can get a temperature desired. And you see there by the different people in the company: Giant Tank, Akbar, Bowling, me, Chibo, told me that this is Giant Tank, the German, Akbar, the secretary, and Bowling, then Chibo, the planner, and told me that's function design, then Kobin. This is the agenda. I'll first talk about the introduction and the aim, then about the company, just briefly about the company, then I'll talk about, then Chibo will talk about work plans, then Bowling talk about marketing, market research, the original machine and functional design, told me that's the technical design, and the summary and conclusion. If you have any questions, maybe you should ask after the presentation, please. Thank you. First of all, the introduction and the aim. Introduction, what is coffee? Everybody just wakes up in the morning, go to the room first, take coffee, drink. But maybe some people don't know what coffee really is. Coffee is a drink gotten from coffee plant. It's a coffee plant, and when it's gotten, it's cultivated and bloomed. Before you have the coffee seeds, then you use to get coffee, then put in coffee machine, then everybody drinks. You see the cup of coffee and you see the coffee seeds that are when cultivated, they are used. And the aim of this company and this group is to modify a coffee machine as a group, mainly as a group, as teamwork, to work together to get the main goal. To modify a coffee machine so that the client can get a desired temperature at what he wants. That's the whole aim. And the company, the name of the company, as you can see the logo, Coffee Bean Company, as I introduced before, Jantayang, the chairman, Jerry, and Akbar, the secretary, he is there. Bowling, the market researcher, then Kiboli, the project plan, and Toby, that's functional design. And me, I'm the report documentation. That's the company, the international class, international company, you know, and all in electrical engineering class, as you know, first. And in this company, everybody, one of the great things we do is to work together, because that's one of the main points, to work as a group together to achieve the same goal. You can see pictures of working together to get the aim of what we want to get, produce coffee machine, why this project is about. And now maybe I will bring Chibo to talk about work plan.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Kiboli. I'm the project planner of the Coffee Bean Company. Now I will talk about the working plan of our company. And first of all, we do the preparation. For the preparation, we have a preparation meeting and we decide our company name and the logo of our company also. We give the job for everyone. And the second, discuss the design and do measurements. Also discuss our coffee maker design is about how many, what's the control temperature of our coffee maker and what kinds of coffee maker we will make. And also we do the measurements. And the third is specification. The specification, we decide the size of our coffee maker. Something about how many cup of coffee we will make, and what color of our coffee maker. Also, how is our coffee maker look like? You can see it's like this. And then the system development of this part, where we try to know how to control the temperature, and we make knowledge about the PCB to control the temperature. And then we do the marketing research. The marketing research can give us some good knowledge about the popular or successful coffee maker in the shop, and can give us some example and experience for our open coffee machine. And then it's product development. This is the most important part of this project. For this part, we just make our open coffee machine, and I think every member in our group have to do a good job and hard work of this part. When we finish our coffee machine, we have a testing. We want to know if this works, and did we have some problem, and how to solve this problem. Also, it is tell us our coffee machine is successful. And just finish this, it is the product report. It is give the others some information about our coffee machine, and it's a summary of our coffee machine. And the last thing is prepare the presentation. Yeah, now we are doing the presentation now, so it was our working plan is successful. Yeah, this is our working plan. Now I want to give the speak to my partner, Mr. Poli. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Poli, and my responsibility is to do the market research, and the results will lead us to decide what kind of function our coffee maker have. I select 10 different models in this media market and make a comparison to compare their different characteristics. And there are four of examples of the coffee maker, and you can see the different power supply, the cup of coffee, and the price. And this two pie charts shows the results of my market research. For the household coffee maker, they offer at least six cups of coffee, and most of the coffee maker offer more than 10 cups of coffee. But our original coffee maker only can supply 5 cups of coffee, and the power. Each of the coffee maker offer more than 1,000 watts, and only 2 of them offer under 1,000 watts. The company reduced the tankage to make their coffee makers heating faster, like the other high power coffee maker. And according to the market research, we decide our coffee maker offer 5 cups of coffee in 30 minutes. And then Mr. Akaba will explain the temperature measurements for the original coffee machine.
Can you stop on what's the temperature?
Between 70.
Temperature range is 60 to the 75.
Maybe someone could go over this number to 73.
What?
73.
73.
Okay.
But we have start turn on now before we turn on the coffee maker before we start the presentation. Now we see the maximum. We can reduce it. We turn to the maximum, and now the coffee maker coffee is 70, 71, 72 for the coffee.
And yeah, thank you for being here. And it's my turn next. And I'm going to talk about the next topics. This one is about temperature measurements. This is very important. Everyone has said this before. You know the new possible range of the temperature for the new coffee machines. We can combine from the old one. And we measure two different ways here. First, we measure with a power source 12 volt with 10.5 amperes, and second way, we measure with 15 volt with 13.1 amperes. And you can show the graphics here. There is 4 lanterns with different colors, and this is for the 12 volt with 10.1 amperes. For the first one, when you turn on the water here, the green one, this is like increasing, and at a certain time. But when the orange one is called with the heater plates, when it's increasing and it's hurrying, the water starts increasing, but it doesn't pass the range of volume of the temperatures, because it's the range of temperature for the hot ones can produce. And for the sixth one is you can see in the orange ones, first is like increasing slightly, and then it's down, but you still keep the temperatures of the cans to still hot, to make the coffee stable, temperature stable, to make the coffee in the can still stable. And while it happens, you see on the purple one, this is a heater. This is, as you see here, first it's like gradually decreasing, and then at a certain time it can be rise again and fall again. Why? Because it's for the controller want to make the heaters like steady, and then to make the controls to stable for the coffee machines. And then for the second one is for the grab 15 volt with 13.1 amperes. This is similar to the previous one, but you use the high voltage with the 15 volt. The heater will be hit faster than the 12 volts, so the coffee will be hot faster. And thank you, this is my turn, and I will next to my colleagues. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Tautvydas, and I was responsible for functional design. And for every new machine, functional design is very important, because it makes it easier to use a new machine and also makes more attractive to customers. Our company main aim was to make a simple, cheap and easy to use a coffee machine. And to do that, we needed to rebuild the old one. So let's first take a look into the Bell machine. Bell machine was 12 volt all-round coffee machine, which was designed for truck or car drivers to enjoy their hot coffee in their vehicles. And the machine is about 21 centimeter wide and also about 17 centimeter long. And it contains about 1 liter tank, which contains about 5 cups of coffee, also a can and a switcher. And in the machine you can find the heating element, which controls the heating inside the machine. So, and at first we started with market research to know how other companies make their coffee machines, how best they look like. And after the market research we started working on sketches. And after several sketches we chosen the right one, and here you can see this on the screen. And also the new machine looks exactly like this. For the new material we have chosen 3mm plywood, because it's cheap and it's really flexible and you can easily put parts together. The layout of the coffee machine you can see here. There are 9 parts, and also if you not mention the other part, we just override the other side. And this layout was made with Rhino 3D, and all parts were printed in the tablet. And this is how our new design looks like. You can see from different angles how our machine looks like. On the top, the other thing that is really important rating in a machine is the color. So our company has chosen the green one because it matches our company logo, which we stick on the top of the coffee machine.